Today I have an update on a company called Sampann Utpadan India Ltd. This penny stock has hit an upper circuit of 20% yesterday, which was the 23rd of April. The price of this penny stock gave a net profit growth of 1,113% year on year and a revenue growth of 44%. With a market capitalization of 135 crores, the price was trading at 34.8, which is 5% higher than its previous day close. The stock hit a 20% upper circuit intraday. Its claim to manufacture reclaimed rubber has announced its result for FY25. Revenue grew 44% year on year from 19 crores to 27.5 crores, and its and the profit. Okay, sorry. This is the Q3 results, quarter on quarter results. It grew by 15%. Net profit grew by staggering 1,113% from 0.45 crores to 5.46 crores. It includes another income worth 4.76 crores obtained from a sale of an extended uh, producer responsibility certificate. Excluding this exponential item, the net profit growth stands at 329% year on year. The company's EPS has also grown by 1,118% year on year from 0.11 in Q4 FY24 to 1.34 in Q4 FY25. Has increased by 362% from 0.29 in Q3 FY25 to 1.34 crore Q4 FY25. The company is engaged in the business of generating energy through non-conventional sources and the production of reclaimed rubber. The company has a vertical integration of wind energy generation, supplying electricity to power grids and handling all sorts of renewable power production, distribution and storage, and the main business stands in reclaimed rubber. The company is a global supplier of drum rubber, while whole tire reclaimed rubber and steel scrap derived from recycled tires. The tips and investments views expressed by the investment experts, broking houses, rating agencies on the internet are of their own and does not include any of my personal uh, suggestions. Investing in equity possesses financial risk of loss. Investors must therefore exercise caution while investing or trading in stocks. The author, which is me, I am not liable for any kind of losses caused as a result of the decision based on this article. Please consult your investment advisor before investing. Some further information. This is the current price 34.86 as of yesterday, which was about 4.22% up. Then the last 5 days, you can see the company has rallied by almost 29%. Over the last 1 month, the company has a rally of 22%. Then over the last 6 months, 21% is the net growth in the share price. Then overall in the year, 74%, which is a staggering amount. So something that you need to keep a track of. Then you can see the revenue year on year, 39% up, net income 296% up, diluted EPS 293% up, net profit margin 240%, ownership strength is slightly missing the benchmark. The stock's market price justifies its value, intrinsic value. The company might not be able to sustain any adverse conditions. The company seems highly inefficient in case of its asset management. Market cap 141 crores, enterprise value 238 crores, price to book value of 20, face value 10, book value 1.71, cash of 95 lakhs, debt of 97 crores. Then the promoter holding is 40.5%. Then diluted earnings per share 12 months is almost 1 rupee. Sales growth of 23%. Minus ROE of 25%. Profit growth 49%. The company has a good profit growth 23% in the last 3 years. Company has shown good revenue growth of 45% in the last 3 years. Poor return on equity of minus 34%. Poor ROC of minus 0.52%. Company has high debt to equity ratio of 32, which is very high. Company has low interest coverage ratio and incorporated in 2012, engaged in the business of energy generation through non-conventional sources and production of reclaimed rubber. So that's something that we've already gone through. Then product profile: crumb rubber, whole tire, reclaimed rubber, butyl reclaimed rubber, steel cut wire shorts, bead wire, cut wire. The reclaimed rubber is used in tire inner lining, inner tubes, tire sidewalls, tire piles, and tire treads and retreads, and non-tire conveyor belts. Molded goods, adhesives, footwear, matting, profiles, and roofing. The company's rubber reclamation unit is at Vadodara, Gujarat, with a roof as well as a ground-mounted solar power plant of 800 kilowatts. Subsidiary company, which is called Shubham Electrochem Limited, has not reported any revenue and has posted a loss in FY24. So the subsidiary company is also running at a loss. Reclaimed rubber 95% revenue, non-conventional energy 5% revenue. It was formerly called SE Power Limited. Book value is just 4.44. Company is trading at 7.88 times its book value. Company has low interest coverage ratio. Company has low return on equity minus 22%. Company may be capitalizing its interest costs, includes income and other income of 13.3 crores. You can see here sales have grown, however, the company is still operating at a loss. The other income is the reason why the company has generated a net profit. And you can see net profit over the last 1 year has grown from minus a negative to a positive of 4 crores. Sales growth of 30% in the last 1 year, minus 214% profit growth in the last 1 year. Stock price has grown 75% in the last 1 year, and return on equity is a minus 24%. Reserves, company is running at a loss. Borrowings are high. I think overall you need to be very cautious with how the company performs in the next few quarters, and please consult a financial stockbroker to get further insights into the company. So debtor days have reduced, which is a good sign. Inventory days have also reduced, which is a good sign. The payments that the company is able to make is faster than the previous year, so which is also a very good sign. Working capital days have increased overall, so there is need to better manage the assets and the working capital requirements of the company. So that is something that the company will have to look into. Promoter holding is 40%, public is 47%, FII is hold 12% shareholding of the company. So with the public holding 47% of the shareholding, the stock could be highly volatile, subject to price fluctuations, and also subject to a lot of volume traded on the trade markets. So thank you for watching, friends. Have a good morning and wish you a very good Thursday in advance. Please share this with your friends, family, and associates, those who may benefit from this information. Please leave valuable feedback and comments about the content and the video so I can find ways to improve on them. Thank you. Thanks for watching again.